James Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going to be tying a silk wool blend Zegna tie. It's a really pretty tie. It is gray with blue diamonds creating a geometrical pattern. And the gray's got a lot of texture, looks like textured black or darker gray throughout. Just a really classy looking tie, very nice. Lays super nice, very nice feel. This particular tie is 55% wool, 45% silk, and they've done a great job of blending that. Zegna is the master of wool. I mean, they basically own the market on luxury wool anyway. So they're very good at what they do when it comes to wool. They were doing that, I believe, before silk. But anyway, they did a really good job with this blend. Has a great feel to it. Almost feels linen-y because the wool is so so nice and smooth. Feels a lot like their suits. The Zegna suits. The wool is very nice. So as far as the review goes, it's a thin tie, not very thick at all. I've already told you it feels really nice, lays really nice. Just has a nice geometric pattern to it. So let's tie it up and see how it feels when we put it together here. Got to find our spot first because it's a thin tie. And wool tends to compress a little bit more than silk on a tie when I'm tying it. So I know I don't need a whole lot of slack here. So I'm thinking probably right around this range right here should get us there. So let's come in close. We take the long part of the tie over the short part. We come behind, up and through. Then we come around behind, all the way around behind, up, over, and through. Now you notice I'm holding onto the knot as I'm tying it. The secret to a perfect knot is to keep this nice and smooth throughout. I call this here the checkpoint. This is where we want to make sure our triangle is coming together. It looks good. Then we come over top of the triangle or the knot with the longer part of the tie. Whoops. I'm just twisting this. I'm always adjusting as I go. Over top, underneath, up and through, and then down through this little pocket we just created. Now because this is not a solid silk tie, the knot's not going to quite tie as perfectly as silk. Silk just has a way of coming together. So let's see how good we can get this together. Hold on to the knot and pull in the long part of the tie to tighten the knot up, bring our triangle, and then pull the shorter part of the tie to bring it up to the top. Now let's check for the length. We want the tip of the tie, this part right here, to be between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. And we are like right about halfway, absolutely perfect. So let's bring the collar down. And then we tidy things up, make sure everything looks nice and neat. Get our collar right. So here's where we take in, to move the knot up or down, you use the smaller part of the tie, thin part of the tie. So let's bring this all together here. Tighten the knot just a hair. Well, it came together real nice for a wool tie. Linen and wool ties just tend to be a little harder to get a perfect knot. That's about as close as you're going to get. And we still have our perfect distance. Alright, now let's put this whole outfit together here. The look is going to start scrolling across the bottom of your screen, and we'll go through it with you right now. Today it's mostly Zegna. We're wearing a charcoal gray Zegna suit, a Mernagildo Zegna suit. We're wearing a white with a pink hue Zegna shirt. And we have on a gray Zegna tie with blue diamonds throughout. We're pairing that today with a Salvatore Ferragamo black belt with a gold belt buckle and a pair of Christian Louboutin Oxfords. On my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you'll see close-ups of the shoes and the belt, close-ups of the tie, the whole outfit staged, selfies of me wearing the outfit, as well as close-ups of the knot and everything. That's on my Instagram. Check that out. If you like my videos, please click subscribe and save, but I am ready for work.